Hi, my name is Isaac and I work for Frost River, and we trust the durability of our Explorer Duffels. And today we're here to show you. All Frost River's luggage and packs are made at our workshop right here in Duluth, Minnesota. We harness the sun's rays to power the manufacturing tools needed to craft these robust bags. An Explorer Duffel packed with travel essentials takes a rooftop drop with ease. Let's up the ante and fill this carry-on size duffel with just under 250 pounds of solid brass and leather remnants. Every feature of the Explorer held intact until the final drop, where the sharp brass pieces broke through the single-side wall of wax canvas upon impact. Keep in mind for normal use that you've got a double layer of wax canvas on the base where you need it most. Every component and design choice made within the entire Frost River line of goods was made with intention. Solid brass hardware bends well before it breaks, often giving you the time and functionality you need to make it all the way through your adventure. These reliable luggage pieces are constructed with a half-inch seam allowance. This allows us to take the bag apart when repairs are needed and put it back together with the same integrity. Frost River packs are backed by a lifetime guarantee on our craftsmanship. This refers to the lifespan of your bag. Please keep in mind that we've done the stress testing for you. The more you care for your bag, the longer its lifespan will be. We offer a robust repair program and will fix up the wear and tear on your bag for a small fee. Choose the luggage and packs that are made with the best, by the best. Adventure authentically with Frost River.